Solitaire Cash and Skillz both let players enter competitive cash games, but there is no single fee that applies to every contest on either platform, so the cheapest option depends on the exact tournament you choose. By the end, you'll know where fees and entry costs show up, what to check before paying, and which platform is easier to compare when you want to keep your costs low. Solitaire Cash is built around competitive solitaire. The app offers free gameplay alongside cash competitions, with the entry amount and potential prize shown for the specific contest. That means you should not judge the cost from the app name alone. Open the individual tournament and compare the entry amount with the advertised prize before you join. Skillz works on a similar competition model, but it supports many different games. Each game can have its own tournaments, entry amounts, and prize structures. That gives Skillz more variety, but it also makes fee comparisons less straightforward. A low-cost tournament in one Skillz game does not tell you what another game will charge. There is another detail that matters. The amount you pay to enter is not necessarily the same thing as a platform fee. For example, a contest can require an entry amount while the prize pool is determined separately. You need to look at the specific contest information to understand how much you are risking and what the winning payout can be. For Solitaire Cash, use the same process. Before entering a cash competition, check the displayed entry amount, prize information, and any applicable rules for that contest. For Skillz, compare the exact same factors inside the individual game, rather than assuming every Skillz title uses identical pricing, so which has lower fees. There is no reliable universal answer without comparing the same type of contest at the same entry level. Both platforms can offer different competition structures, so claiming that one always has lower fees would be misleading. If your priority is simplicity, Solitaire Cash is easier to evaluate, because you are comparing contests within one main game. If you want variety, Skillz gives you more games to choose from, but you need to compare costs separately for each title. Before spending money, open the cash tournament you are considering, and check 3 things: the entry amount, the prize amount, and the withdrawal rules that apply to your account. The practical takeaway is that neither platform has one universal fee that makes it automatically cheaper. Solitaire Cash is more focused, while Skillz has a broader selection of competitive games. Compare the exact contest before paying, and start with free gameplay if you are unfamiliar with the platform. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 money app comparisons.